Look at that. Look, I got a wasp. Go away, little wasp.
You start on the other side on the down lower part while you do the upper higher part.
Yeah, this side is about done.
Yep,
as far as the glue goes.
One more strip. So we've been working today to help out off-grid with Doug and Stacy on their log cabin build for their mom. And we've been working today to remove the excess glue, the sticky paste they put in between the logs. We removed the excess glue from there so that we can put in this foam rope between all the logs, and then Doug will come back and chink over that. But it's been a good day. Had fun, and the weather's much cooler than it is at home, so it's a good day to be working outside. We're enjoying it. How about you?
It's great. It's a little dangerous.
A little tedious, a little dangerous.
Yeah, I got my glove on so I don't smack my hand. It's good.
Cool.
That's nice.
There's a herd of catties.
Oh, herd of kitties.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Time for chores. Hello, ducks.
She's mad because I misplaced her soda this morning.
It wasn't soda, number one.
Well,
Number
you know what I
two.
mean, the lemon fizzy water drink. She had one out, kept it warm because she doesn't like cold drinks.
Not warm. It's just not freezing. Hey, kitty.
Oh, she found a buddy.
Funny. I named it Little Wink. Is that the Little Wink?
Pick up where we left off
Yep. No.
on the shady side.
Well, it's shady right here, right now. As well. So this right here is done. We need to go up here.
All right, so Alice and I were taking the glue out of the seams and putting the foam rope between there, and now Doug is coming back behind us and putting the first layer of chinking in there.
It's the sweep up crew here. You did such a good job, much better than I did on the other sides. I guess you used a little less caulk. Keep your run going good.
It's the first time I've ever seen one of those power caulk gun.
Now this is a handy dandy. If you guys are going to do a lot of caulking, like in this case, you know, with this log cabin, there's caulking everywhere. Probably if you just have weaker hands too, this thing works fantastic. Plus, and you know, we don't have nothing to do with them. It's just a Milwaukee gun, but
Yeah.
it has a speed sensor on the side, so you can turn it up really fast, really slow if you're doing detail work. So once you get a little handle for it, you can start adjusting your speed or move your body like I'm doing now, just to kind of keep up with it. But honestly, it's a good tool. You know, we need tools to help us do our jobs. You know, and you need tools that can handle multiple things. I can use this for any kind of caulk gun or any kind of thing around the house. Sealing up my log cabin, I have one. In the future, we'll have to come back by and get some of this checking. See, they call this stuff here checking. And the logs, sometimes they split like this, and you want to watch them because they can actually split the whole log right in half.
Yeah, so do you use the chinking to fill those or something else?
Yeah, you would use this here chinking to fill those up. You know, keeping an eye on them. I was explaining to people that watch our channel, I'm kind of moving right now just to kind of get it done. But if I see a real bad one like this one right here, I want to fill that in, because with winter coming and everything, you don't want the moisture getting in there, and then it's freezing and thawing and popping and cracking, and
Right.
it's going to cause you problems in the long run. And if you're wondering what we're doing, this is chinking, and you put this between each log. You can see there's a gap there, and they've come along and cleaned out the gap, put this piping in, and that's a backing so this stuff can stick to it. And then this seals off all the air, and then I'll come back after I do the horizontals and I'll hit all these verticals, and then I'll hit the butts and the ends and the passes, and then she'll be all buttoned up.
Awesome. You moving ladders by yourself today?
Sure.
You, need,
arms.
you want some help set up some walking boards so you can get up there?
She's moving ladders. She won't need your help with the walking board.
Well, she didn't need my help. I'll go take a nap.
Oh, there's 3 of them. Eat all the bugs. Eat all you can and you sell the rest. They're cute.
They are. They just call to each other all day. Just stay connected. Don't be lost.
Getting these glue globs out.
Globs of glue coming out.
Coming out so that we can insert this foam rope. And then the chinking will go on top of that. Ah. Some of them are pretty stubborn to get out.
So some of Doug and Stacy's followers on YouTube have wondered why they haven't cut these, or at least evened them all up. Well, here's why. They're still being used. Use them for steps and stairs and climbing to get up and down on these corners and stuff. It's pretty handy to have them there.
You gotta tell
I thought Stacy would share some words of wisdom that we could get on.
maybe you don't want to hear some of my words. Yeah.
What?
Yep.
And then put them with Gary.
Yeah, both of them together.
It's the Doug and Gary show.
What are you using? Oh, yeah. See, this is too fat. I needed something in between.
Need a screwdriver.
I know.
It's not a screwdriver?
Well, I can get one.
Just keep telling her I took all the tools out of my truck.
I know, right?
On vacation.
Yeah.
Not even thinking, hey.
Why would I need them?
Yeah. It's like those are your work tools and you're on vacation.
Did you cook the chicken for last night? Did you do that on the grill?
Yeah. Well, at first I thought, okay, initially, I would have cooked it in the sun oven if we were eating dinner, and I was thinking that we were going to eat lunch. So I didn't do anything about it. I just left it because I thought, because I was going to cook on the grill, because it only takes like an hour to cook on the grill.
Mm-hmm.
So then it was like, oh, dinner, and it was too late for the sun oven. So, yeah, I cooked turkey.
I noticed, the reason I asked is because I noticed the bricks are in there.
Yeah.
Is the bricks to radiate the heat side to side, or?
Well, I got very good at cooking on the grill because that was my only cooking advice when we first moved off grid. So I used to cook, and I used to bake everything. I mean, it's hard to cook on the grill, so you'd radiate. Yeah, you can set it on the grill.
Never thought about that.
Yeah, it works out good, and then it doesn't burn the bottom so bad. You know?
We don't have a regular grill with a lid anymore. We have a propane cooker that it's just open top. But
We have a son of it.
Hey, Stacy,
Yes.
Tell him you picked out the shower.
you picked up the shower stall.
Who picked it out?
I think Mom did.
Doug and I both did.
Stacy and Mom did.
You quit saying your mom did. Your mom didn't pick it out
I
at
just
all.
okayed it.
That's not true.
This
I need. This is
I
not
didn't
working.
pick out anything.
This is not working
What's
for me.
wrong
I
with
need
it?
something thinner.
I don't know, babe.
You need to give me something thinner. This isn't
You gotta
working.
go home. We were doing just fine without complainers.
I'm not complaining, but I just need better tools. You know how you need a sharp knife?
we know the help we can get. Don't send her home.
I don't know, babe, that's all we got. Been hanging around Morris too long.
Just get with the bigger one. Try to find the bigger cracks.
Oh, look at me go. Woohoo.
I know, isn't it exciting when you get a...
I got a chunk. Big chunk.
Been chunks of this we'll work on for like 20 minutes, and it's like a celebration. Finally got that big one piece out.
Oh my gosh, this row right here is just like one big solid blob. I mean, it's even dark brown. It's changed the color of the wood underneath it hasn't changed. didn't get the booch on it.
We had a theory in the beginning, thinking that, well, maybe they got less glue as they went up.
Yeah.
It didn't happen.
Well, if we would have known it before, we would have been a little bit more,
Yeah. This one right here.
Bury that now?
My next one, that's
I
the
think
worst
that's
one.
the one that Stacy and Marge glued down.
No, I said, these are the ones that Doug did.
Very good.
You know, you guys were on that side to help us put logs up.
Right.
We were on all the sides putting the
You
logs
guys were
up.
the ones doing them in between the windows for sure. I
Uh-huh.
got video of it.
That side.
Yeah, hey, Stacy, you know what? We can go back to the videos. We can count the rows. And we
Okay.
can figure that
And
one
show
out.
the good ones that Stacy. Marge and I were the best
Who did
ones.
what?
It's row 7. I'm going to go back to the videos. I'm going to find row 7.
I remember row 7 watching it.
Yeah. Alice says that Stacy and Marge didn't do that one.
I don't think they were.
The ones that don't have anything, Stacy and Marge did.
I would count them when we get it out. Which one is it? So I'd go up and look at the video and count up how many.
Any more than that? Mom, Gary's in your shower with his shoes on. Mom, Gary's in the shower with your shoes on. Alright, look at that fit. Everything's squared up real nice.
The roosters are.
They crow. Well, I got my last batch, like every year at school, they always hatch a bunch of chicks. So between my friend and I, Jody and I, we call them our mutt chickens. So basically they're just chickens mixed with all the other chickens. So we always give them to the schools and then they hatch. So we always get those chickens every year. And then my friend Jody has an incubator that has 99.
Oh my stars.
You know, it's a big incubator. So she's like, loves chickens. And so we always try to do different things. So I'll get some of my eggs, she gets some of her eggs. We get the duck eggs, we get the guinea eggs, we get the turkey eggs, and we just hatch everything.
Oh gosh.
So whatever happens, happens. So we're mixing and matching. We got ducks and turkeys and chickens. And so all the little chicken babies that she hatched, she had so many, all the chickens hatched. The ducks and the guineas and the turkeys are a little harder, you know, to hatch. Well, ducks are easy, but it's the turkeys and guineas that are harder to hatch. So you get a few of those, but we got almost every single one of the chickens hatched out of that. So she ended up giving me like, how many chickens? She gave me like 36 chickens.
Oh gosh.
Along with the ones that we had already had from the school.
Oh my gosh.
And then you're always...
All right, we got the shower in now. Ever since Stacy showed up, you guys just been talking and talking. I don't even know if you're getting anything done out here. Look, she's laughing so hard she can't even hardly keep it.
Just goofing around.
Ever since Stacy showed up, we had them going good too.
You got a resident acrobat down there on the ground, climbing those lopsided logs.
Man, we're gonna have to send you back up to the cabin.
I know it.
It's good to see you out down here helping. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Everybody wants to see the garden, but you'll get them there. Tell them to come back in August. Late August. All right, we're getting higher and higher. How many more runs?
Well,
We still haven't done
we only got
these.
about 3 feet of this one going that way. But
This is it.
we're getting close.
It'll go fast once you get her clean.
Yeah,
That's
there's
a
a couple
tedious
spots
job.
where there's
the
nothing to
out.
tuck this
Some of
in.
them are so full.
Those are the ones Stacy did.
No, we already discussed that. Those are the ones that you did.
No, I got it on video.
No,
I got it on video.
Marge and I did a great job.
You did a great job.
1, 2, 3,
That's
4,
why you're
5,
cleaning it up.
No, we didn't do Ha
Between rows 6 and 7. I'm going to go back.
we got it on
Go
video.
back and watch them
What?
and count them. Yeah, there's several places where they're uneven, and on the ends we tucked them in between the
sticking
logs
in that
so
one.
they'll stay put.
Yeah,
Like around the
this one
window
goes right in.
edge.
This one goes right in. Oh no, this is very nice.
This track right here is totally clean, ready to go.
Yep.
This
There's some
one's
of them,
clean,
it's
ready
like
to
you.
go. You don't even have to do nothing. This one's good, ready to go. All these all the way down to there are good, ready to go, really. So really you guys will be able to pipe it. Except for that row right there.
The one that I was just doing.
Yeah, we'll just pipe that one and we can stick it. Good job.
So close.
You did it. I call it a success.
And then I'll put this on here. And then you can just bring it up.
It's the last few runs. Can they do it? Stay tuned tomorrow and find out if Stacy and Alice can finish the job. Bye.